Stomp, stomp, tie your shoe. Zip your pockets, I'm ready. Are you? Eggnog, who's there? A sunny morning at my door. Shoes on tight and heart so brave. I'm tiptoeing to explore. Past the fence and pebbled path, I see a gate of leafy green. Push it gently, squeak it wide. Hello, the garden of in-between. I'm a little explorer with a big bright map. Follow every wiggle, every whoosh, every clap. Left foot, right foot, hop to three. What mystery waits beneath that tree? Spot a line of ladybugs in shiny polka dot parade. Whisper, can we come along? They nod and lead the way we made. Under arches made of vines where dim barbarian wishes blow. Tiny doors in mushroom hills blink open with a glow. I'm a little explorer with a big bright map. Follow every wiggle, every whoosh, every clap. Left foot, right foot, hop to three. What mystery waits beneath that tree? Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Spin around and bend your knee. Tiptoe soft and freeze like stone. Now roar like wind and hum like foam. River ribbons giggle by. They tickle toes and say hello. Toss a leaf boat, wave goodbye, and watch it twirl and go. On the bank a puzzle sign says count the clouds from 1 to 4. We count them fluffy, bright and proud. The rainbow opens like a door. I'm a little explorer with a big bright map. Follow every wiggle, every whoosh, every clap. Left foot, right foot, hop to three. What mystery waits beneath that tree? Close your eyes and listen. Can you hear the crickets sing? A silver key of moonlight fits a lock of golden ring. Turn the knob of wonder, step inside and softly see. Every question is a lantern, and the brightest one is me. Fireflies like fairy stars draw twinkly maps in air. They spell my name in glowing dots, and loop-de-loops of flare. Take a breath, the oak tree hums. There's always more to find. Pockets full of tiny notes from creatures being kind. Tip-tap compass, point the way. Hummed a tune to light the day. Every step a brand new clue. Curiosity is our glue. I'm a little explorer with a big bright map. Follow every wiggle, every whoosh, every clap. Left foot, right foot, hop to three. The world says yes to you and me. Wiggle like a worm, stretch tall like a tree. Flutter like a butterfly, buzz like a bee. March, 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 then tiptoe slow. Freeze like ice, then ready, go! Back through leafy archways, past the pebbles, past the stream. Tuck the day inside my pocket next to one last dream. Turn and wave to mushroom hills, ladybugs, the talking tree. See you soon, I sing at dusk. Save a little